Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. As you guys know, it is back to school time, so I did want to bring you guys a back to school haul. Before we get into this haul today, I did want to introduce you guys to this Dossier perfume that I was sent. This is the packaging. The Dossier brand provides a variety of different affordable perfumes that can be compared to some of our favorite luxury scents. Another great thing about this brand is that they have free returns and free exchanges. It doesn't matter if it's been 2 weeks or like 6 months, however long you had the perfume. If you want to exchange it or return it, it will always be free. Also, if you decide to purchase 3 or more bottles, you'll be able to get up to 25% off as well as free shipping. Me personally, I go for more warm scents. I like anything with vanilla, coffee, caramel, anything in that range. That's what I personally go for. The scent that I have today is Floriental Vanilla. It is a 15% concentrate. This is what the bottle looks like. For Floriental Vanilla, their top notes are mandarin pear, pink pepper, licorice. Their middle notes are jasmine, orange blossom, and the base notes are cedarwood, vanilla, and coffee. So yeah, this scent is perfect for anyone that's just like me and likes warm scents. Floriental Vanilla can be compared to YSL Black Opium if you're familiar with that scent. That's actually one of my favorite scents. I use that almost every day. That's like my everyday scent. If you're like me and you love Black Opium but are looking for something affordable, Floriental Vanilla is the way to go. If you guys are interested in purchasing anything from Dossier, I will make sure to add my link to the bottom of the screen as well as in the description box below, just so you guys don't miss it. And yeah, I will also be adding the name of the perfume that I have and also the link to it in case you want to get the exact same one as me. So the first 2 items for this haul I did have one during the intro, which is this green blouse and just these plain black shorts. This blouse reminds me of the tops that were being sold at Zara during this summer. But the difference between this top and the ones from Zara is this shirt does not have any buttons, and it also has like a little flap effect at the bottom. I really don't know what to call this. It makes it different from all the other blouses that you've seen trending lately. Olive is one of my favorite colors for the fall time. So I know that I just had to have it. And I just paired it with these plain black bottoms. They come just right up under my butt. It's not too long, but it's not too short either. It's with sandals, sneakers, lace-up heels. Really, this outfit can go with anything. This shirt can be worn up or down as well as these shorts because of the material. Even though this shirt has a deep V and it is crop top, I feel like it's not too revealing. It just shows just enough and it's very flattering. So the second outfit is pretty much just like the first. It's the same blouse, just in the color cream, and I just paired it with some khaki rib shorts. Typically in shorts I wear a size 6, but as you can see, these are a little baggy on me. I probably should have sized down. Hopefully I can try to shrink them, but these shorts are really cute, so I hope I'm able to size them down. I'm not sure if I'm losing weight or what, but it seems like today everything is fitting a little big on me. But I got this shirt in a size 4 and these shorts in a size 6, which are my regular sizes, and I feel like they both are a little bit big. But like I said earlier, hopefully I can get them to shrink because these pieces are really cute. I've been trying to get more into color blocking with clothing, and my favorite color combination is green and pink. So that's what made me come up with this outfit. I have this lime green blouse, and it does have like a crisscross detail. You can't really see it. I'm wondering if I can get this shortened so you can see it more and have it fit like this. I just paired this top with some pink biker shorts. I plan to wear this outfit with like some white lace-up heels, these white Bottega inspired shoes from Shein. Those will also be cute with this. I just have to do something about the length of this shirt, and it's like some gaping in the back on these shorts. But besides that, I feel like this outfit would be really cute. So this piece actually is my favorite in the whole entire haul. I just love the color, the way it shapes me, how tight it is, but it's not uncomfortable. Everything about it is just perfect. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. The only thing is, if you're on the shorter side like me, it is really long. It's not too long to where you can't wear it or you're tripping over it. Or whether it's just with some sandals, I would suggest some platform sandals just so it isn't tripping you up. I know y'all probably noticed that almost everything in this haul has had a collar so far. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it's not the last one either. But I don't know, it's just something lately that's just been attracting me to things with collars, like polo shirts, polo dresses. I don't know, it's just something extra that adds onto your basics just to make it pop just a little more. But yes, this next item is just a cream polo dress. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's really cute, really simple. You can wear this pretty much anywhere. You can wear it with heels, you can wear it with sneakers, you can wear it with flats, sandals, anything. It's something very versatile, something that everybody needs in their closet. So this next piece is very similar to the one I just had on, but it is sleeveless and it's also more of a sweater material. And I'm not sure if you can see, but it has this stitching on it. But yeah, it also has the stitching detail down the middle and on the sides. And I like that just added a little something extra to make it not as basic as the other one. So next we have this blue tight mini dress. It does have white stitching, as you can see. I like that it adds a little contrast to it, and also I love this color. I already have this dress in orange and I love it so much that I had to just go back and get the blue one. It's really just a cute casual dress, and the white just helps it so it can be like more of like a color blocking situation. I usually don't really like mini dresses that much because of my height, but I really liked how it looked on the model, and it actually looks really good on. But yeah, it's just ribbed and it's a really soft cotton type material. It looks like it could be for like a colder temperature, but it's actually really lightweight, really form-fitting but not uncomfortable. You can still move a lot. I know most midi dresses are very constricted, but this has like a little stretch to it. Alright, so this next outfit, I have this burnt orange blouse, and it does have like a bralette detailing on it. The burnt orange is another one of my fall favorite colors. Fall was coming up and I saw this shirt and it was so cute to me. I wanted to snatch it up before it sells out before the fall time. Paired it with these brown ruched leggings. It also has like a burnt orange stitching on it. On the website, I didn't notice that the stitching on here was actually burnt orange too, but it actually adds like a little extra to them, and it matches perfectly with this shirt. I probably wouldn't wear these pieces together for a class because it might be just a little too much. Like I might pair this with some jeans. I pair these with just like a plain solid top. The piece is a little more casual. So next up is this green button down dress. I've been seeing this dress a lot in like a darker shade of green, but I feel like this shade just complements my skin a little better. Yeah, this is just a mini dress. It comes right above my knee and it buttons all the way down. You can adjust how much cleavage you want to show. I don't really have anything, so I like my cleavage a little deeper than most, and plus I like to show my tattoo. This is also one of the pieces that you can wear up or down. It just depends on what shoes and accessories you decide to put with this. I can see this dress being with like some gold jewelry, with either like some cute sandals or some cute heels. Next is just this black ribbed collar dress, and it does have a slit along the sides. Like I said earlier, I really do like slits, and I like that it's a slit on a mini dress too, just because you don't really see that a lot, and I feel like it goes really well with the collar and the rib and how it fits. Slit on this dress in particular is just very flattering to me. Okay, so for the last outfit of this haul, I just have this cream and white striped shirt. It buttons all the way down, comes right above my elbow. I feel like this shirt would be really cute with like some stacked gold necklaces, and I just paired it with these shorts. They're giving very much skims, but it's a thicker material and it is a little longer too. Really, you could wear this shirt with almost anything, and with these shorts, just because they're thicker, you can dress these up or down. And yeah, both of these are really quality pieces. I love the material of both of them, and yeah, I give both of these a 10 out of 10. I'm not sure if I mentioned my sizes earlier, but all the tops I have are a size 4, which is a small, and all my bottoms are a size 6. If you made this far in this video and you want to see more videos just like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I have not yet made a posting schedule, so if you just want to be notified whenever I post, make sure you hit that post notification bell down below. As you can see, I do have a new setup. I did move apartments, so yeah, I'm still trying to get used to like where exactly I want to film in my new room. And also thank you guys for making me hit 1,000 subscribers. This year I promise to be more consistent with my posting. There'll be more hauls, more vlogs, just more content from me, period. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time.